Holiday Home Sales Office and Owners Lounge, guys, over there, okay? If you're interested in buying this van, come over there and have a chat to Simon. He's the main man here. He sells most of the vans, yeah? He's wonderful. He'll help you out endlessly. He'll do anything, help you, okay? This is an ABI Ambleside, Sam. Top of the range, 40 by 14. 3-bedroom.
This is one of my favourites, Nigel.
It's stunning, isn't it?
Beautiful.
Do you know what I like? I like the sliding doors. You can go straight onto the decking.
It's just space, isn't it?
It comes with a full wrap deck and 2 years side fees. Okay? Got the washing machine, Sam. Yeah.
Look at that.
It's got everything in it. It's absolutely stunning. I mean, what could you ask for in a caravan? Nothing more. It's beautiful. Do you like I like the wood effect, the rusted effect.
I like the entrance, definitely.
Big cloakroom.
Somewhere to put your coats.
The size of this single bed. Single bedroom. That comes out. They go together if you're interested. Then you've got the radiators. Then you've got... It's residential spec, Sam. Not many vans are residential.
What does that mean, Nigel? Residential spec?
Well, it means it's winterised, so it'll keep all the warmth in.
There you go.
And it's galvanised underneath.
I was wondering, looking at the thickness of the walls, I mean, they're thick, aren't they? Look at that.
Yeah, and it's cladded outside, so, you know, it's not going to rust outside. It's going to last you. There's no age limit here, Sam. Some parks got age limits, right? Haven and Park Dean, I shouldn't mention names, I don't really care. Right, they've got age limits. It's not a secret, they've got it on their website.
Correct.
So I'm not saying anything untoward, yeah? You know, so here, look at it, beautiful.
Lovely bedroom, really
I
nice.
think Baby Bear's been sleeping on my bed. Look at that. Gorgeous, isn't it?
Really
Very
nice.
sweet. And then you've got big cupboards, look.
Loads of storage.
Look at those storage. Look how deep they are.
Bags of
Look at
room.
the depth of that, mate. I mean, no age limit. Finance.
The main bathroom.
Beautiful, isn't it?
Really lovely.
We do finance, okay? We do a low APR finance, probably one of the lowest in the industries. We're an up and coming company. We've just bought another park down I can't tell you where, Yorkshire way, okay? And we're inquiring parks all the time. And we're going to get stronger because it's fantastic. And this is my favourite park. It's in Somerset. It's close to my heart. It's near Tenby in Wales. But listen, guys, if you want to come down, we'll put a decking on it, big wrap deck, okay? And then we'll give you side fees for 2 years, okay? Do you want another price of it?
Go on.
Right, and me look in the window. 129995.
Well, with a deck and 2 year site fees?
Yes.
That's impressive.
Right the way around.
Wow.
And it's a 10.5-month season time.
Yeah.
And on the country club, the lodges, they're 12-month season, okay? So if you want one up there, hook up with Simon. Did you give you a number? I think you did.
I'll give it again, Nigel. It's 07973 620 351.
And I forgot to tell you before you go, guys, we have got the best beach in Somerset, okay? Without a doubt. I flew my drone last night. You can look on some of my videos over Burnham-on-Sea. I took it to Burnham, right? And it's like full of mud, okay? This is golden sand, mate. And you can access this beach through our sister park, which is Brighton. We've got 2 parks over the road we own as well, okay? So any information you want, hook us up, guys. Look, get one bought. Stop thinking about it and just get it bought.
Life's too short, Nigel.
Hey, I'm telling you, mate.
Make some memories.
Make some memories with the family and enjoy it.
Perfect.
Site fee start at 5,900, by the way, okay? People ask me that, okay? So there's nothing to hide here, Simon. You've got to pay your gas and electric on top and you've got to pay some rates, okay?
Correct.
Pretty simple, yeah?
Easy.
You've got to insure it because obviously you need to insure it. It's your pride and joy, yeah? Now, the problem we have, right, is we've only got 3 pictures left for sale. Okay, then we're sold out. Now, if you want to come down for a look around, contact Simon and he will arrange a viewing for you, okay? So, what could be better in life, Sam? What could be better, mate?
Mate, making memories with your family and your friends, enjoying holidays, loads of holidays every year is what it's all about, surely. Everyone works too hard.
They do, I'll tell you something. And if you've got the money in the bank, just spend it. All right? That's my advice.
Mate, there are no prizes for being the best dressed corpse in the graveyard, right?
Hey, I'm telling you that, mate.
Enjoy life.
Hey, God bless you all.